This week on Destination Now.
Welcome to Marion National Forest. In our last episode, we really enjoyed traveling through Georgia with our newest friend, Cameron. In today's episode, we spend a few days set up near a boat ramp, deep in the middle of a forest with only the peaceful sounds of birds chirping. We thought it best to soak in all the silence we could before spending a week at Nick's sister's house for Easter and having lots of rowdy family fun.
Wherever I go, I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go, no matter who knows anything about me now. I'm ready to see what life's got for me. I got one thing left to say.
Just another day in the office, working hard in my jammies in the middle of Marion National Forest. I've got Mother Nature singing me songs while I work. It's very peaceful and nice. I'm enjoying it.
Have you ever had a less distracting?
Oh, it's very distracting because
It is.
I'd rather like not be sitting
Go
here.
frolic through the forest.
Yeah, but it's nice. It's peaceful, so it's better than sitting inside all day on the same flat spot I've worn down in the cushions.
It's true. Huh?
Yeah. Trixie, what are you doing? Are you getting stinky? So I brought Nick to the grocery store with me today, which is probably a no-no. And we ended up with cinnamon rolls. So I'm gonna make some. I know how to open this, but it scares me. So I'm gonna have Nick open these.
Thanks, Jacqueline. She's terrified of these things. How do you do this? Oh, there it goes.
That's one way to do it.
Oh, it's so scary.
You jumped too, right?
No.
I got it on camera. You
No,
jumped.
I think I'm scared of this.
Thank you for opening that. I'm a big, strong husband who's not scared of dough cans. I'm going to tell you a story that some of you may or may not have seen passing around the internet about these Pillsbury containers that expand when you open them. There was a lady who had just gone to the grocery store. Her car was all full of groceries. She's sitting there in her car with her windows all rolled up, and she hears a loud pop, and she feels something hit her in the back of the head. This woman thinks she got shot in the back of the head, and so she's got her hands there, and she feels something squishing, and she thinks she's holding her brains in. And she's been sitting there for hours until somebody comes over and asks her what she's doing. And she goes, I'm holding my brains in. I got shot in the back of the head. Well, it turns out she was in the heat, and the can had expanded and exploded, and the end part had popped off, hit her in the head with dough attached to it, and she was just holding like biscuits to the back of her head.
That's hilarious.
I probably totally murdered that story, but it's funny. These are for dessert.
Ooh. Pizza's ready. Thanks, baby.
So we just had a giant thunderhead roll through about 9 o'clock at night. We're next to a river. It's got a flash flood warning. So we opted to move up the road a little bit just to make sure he can sleep soundly. Thanks, honey.
I was all wet.
You like get stopped like 2 minutes.
I knew it would. It always does. An ongoing theme with me in storms. Every time I get worried, I go out and fix everything just in case worst case scenario happens. It never happens, but my worry is the second that I decide not to do that, something will happen. So I always try to stay ahead of the ball, you know? Anyways, we had a big old thunderhead come through, and you know, we're out here in South Carolina. It's kind of unfamiliar territory for me, so.
Marion National Forest was the perfect location to reset and play catch-up. That was, until we were woken up at 4 a.m. on day 3 to very loud turkey calls by eager hunters. Turns out it was opening day for turkey season. We took that as a sign to continue onward for some more mooch-docking.
Oh, can I see it? It's a drone. Oh, I crashed it into that tree.
So, young William got our drone stuck up in the top of the tree, didn't you? It's alright. His daddy knows how to climb trees pretty well, so he's gonna go get it for us. And the drone, way up there in that tree.
I kind of got out of control of it.
Yeah. It happens. It's okay. It's happened to me before. A drone stuck in the palm tree after 5 seconds of flight. Back.
How are you gonna grab it when you get up there? You gotta let go of that rope.
Alright, here goes Daddy. Yes, sir. Good luck, my friend. Don't fall. This is why I buy the old used drones. Somehow, somebody always ends up crashing them.
I crashed that one.
I'm proud of
Yes,
it.
you did. Super Dad. Look at him go. Not many dads can do that. I'll tell you what. Down this one. Hopefully it goes close. Oh, there she goes. All right, let me grab it. Oh man. Hey, it looks like it's in good shape. That was beautiful, Martin.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Anytime.
It's the day before Easter right now, and we're at my sister's house, and we're just playing with the kids, having a good time. This is my nephew, William. Come here, buddy. What do you like to do for fun?
Play.
Yeah? What do you like to play with? Me? All
And Aunt
right.
Jacqueline.
I like to play with you.
And Aunt Jacqueline.
And Aunt Jacqueline? That's awesome.
I'll run you over. On right, skid sets, go. Ah! Middle of the track, man. Woo!
So this is my little sister, Jacqueline. She's a little sweetheart.
I think I just went to.
I don't get to see her very often. So
Glad
I
you
cherish the
came
moments
out.
I get with her.
What are you doing today?
Pretending I'm not an adult.
We're having a kids' day.
Yeah.
Bubba George might have got just a little hardcore.
I'm spreading the Keys disease.
You have some sunburns?
I do. In fact, right there, it's like a nice big patch. Apply generously.
That's right. You just leave it on there until it dries. Doesn't that feel good?
Yeah, it actually really does. And just tried it. It actually works. Navy tested, Navy approved.
We can fix it. I know a good welder.
If aluminum isn't clean, it won't weld. It won't hold. So it's got to be polished.
Hey, you know what though? Looks a hell of a lot better than if I did it. I like to call this the Fix a Well 3000.
Today we're out here at Spear Key Farms picking strawberries. Come on. These look amazing. So you want to know the trick to picking strawberries? I just learned this. What you gotta do is you spin it and then you turn it back on itself and pull. Perfect every time.
That's what I miss about home. Homegrown food. Hard to do on the road.
Are you enjoying your mimosa?
It's very
In
good.
your office?
My office space for today. It's a luxury executive office. They bring you champagne while you work.
These are tabletop tacos. So all you have to do is cover your table with aluminum foil and lay all your ingredients out and eat off the aluminum foil and roll up the aluminum foil and roll it away when you're done. It's awesome.
We're at the raceway in Lakeview, South Carolina, eating some nachos and watching some alcohol burning cars. Nothing more American than this.
I feel like nobody can even watch this. It's so stupid.
What do you think? Was it loud?
I couldn't see any of it.
That was fun.
That was dirty.
You're a dirty girl.
And now.
Stockton, North Carolina.
Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next Tuesday.
Ooh. Hello. You got games? Oh. Come down was a little hard on that one.